Hi guys, do you want to win this upper oven rack to add to your accessories for your Omnia? Stay tuned. Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Cathy's condensed coconut cake. This recipe, it comes from a dear friend, Cathy from Curacao. Do Little House of Beans a huge favor. Click the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. As many of you know, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am super ready to make Cathy's condensed coconut milk. Let's cook. How do you win one of these, you may ask? Well, please comment on this video. You are the lime to my coconut. That's number one. Number two, you must be a Little House of Beans subscriber and a Facebook group subscriber. So I'll repeat, in order to win this rack, please comment on this video. You are the lime to my coconut, be a Facebook subscriber, and a Little House of Beans on YouTube subscriber. Best of luck to you.